on, Graham, run back, quick! Right, come on, can the old can you do it? Not in that gear, it can't. Oh my goodness me. What the heck's going on? Well, I don't know what to say. There's a short answer there, folks. Like we said, he's a brand new driver. I don't know if Stephen Charles is in the cab, is he? I can't see, it's too dark. Old Stephen Charles was with him yesterday, and this new owner took ownership just a few weeks ago. Oh, we're dragging him back. Oh, we let him have another go. Pick a different gear is my theory on that. Just, my gut is he was in the wrong gear.
Sponsored by New Hollands. Tonight, Saturday night, Friday night, yesterday night, Hoyles's. So we did it. Hoyles contracted, I think was sponsored. So yeah. And one of our workers came first, second and then third. But they were four-wheel drives, so it's not that really fair really.
The distance that they'll have to catch. 2 green flags down the track. We are ready to rock and roll. Pull the throttle in the kitchen and we'll be cooking. Let's go. Yes! Get out! Oh, ho, ho! Got a rock and a roll on!
science.
A distance of 101 metres and a few centimetres, I didn't see it for long enough on the screen, for the rocket science. 101 metres. He set the distance, the checkered flag is in, that's roughly where the front of the sledge finished. 101.51, 101.51 for the rocket science. Oh, it's like Simon's playing my flipping playlist, isn't it?